Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to pay school fees using Palmpay. Step 1. No upfront. Palmpay doesn't have a dedicated school fee feature. Before we start, I need to be straight with you. Palmpay own app listing shows transfer, ATM card, data bundle, and airtime as its core features. There's no confirmed dedicated school fee category built in the app. So what we are covering here is how you get realistic use Palmpay to get payment done, not a specific school fees button. Step 2. Check if your school has a bank account or accept direct transfer. Get the school's official bank account details typically provided in your admission or free payment document. Step 3. Open Palmpay and go to transfer. From a Palmpay home screen right here, you click on to bank. Step 4 now. Enter the account details and amount. You input the school account number right here, and you also select the bank your school is using. Double check the account name that pops up matches the school exactly, then enter the fee amount you are paying. Step 5. Confirm with your PIN and keep proof of payment. Complete the transfer using your transaction PIN, then screenshot or save the confirmation receipts. Most schools will ask you to submit these as a proof of payment. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to pay school fees using Palmpay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.